what's up y'all? It's your girl Aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. So yes, today I'm doing an unboxing video and it's for this company called 50 Shades NYC. I'm really excited. Brother Instagram, what got me again? Because I'm pretty sure I found them on the Explorer page, like just scrolling through that, and they were on there. Also, a brand that I like to buy from also like features them sometimes. BBX brand, that's the name. That's the brand that sometimes wears them. At least like the creator of BBX brand sometimes wears the sunglasses. I'm really excited because I love shades. If y'all want to see me do like a shade reveal or like my sunglasses tour or like my shades tour, give this a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see my shades because I have an extensive collection. Without further ado, let's dig into this box. Now, when I set this down, I just noticed that it's taped ratchetly, so I'm actually kind of scared, and I've had this package for a while and I'm just now noticing this. So I'm a little scared that someone took my sunglasses and just reboxed it and put some bullshit in here. So we're about to find out what the fuck is in this box. Hopefully it's the shades that I bought. So yeah, let's dig in so we can see what I got. Like, I've literally never seen a box package like this unless someone was trying to steal some shit. Hopefully she's trying to be like eco-friendly and like just reuse this box, but some don't seem right and I'm nervous. It looks like it comes in fancy packaging. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. How fancy. I love this. This is so cute. Wow. I love this. This definitely is not enough for the amount of shades that I have, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is such a cute idea. Wow, y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging, and this is like above and beyond. Wow, I'm impressed. Let me grab my phone so I can tell y'all the names of these shades. Wow, I'm excited, y'all. So, this is what your shades come in. I don't know if you buy more than one, if it comes like this, because I bought 3. So yeah, I'm really excited because this is so cute. Wow, love the presentation. All right, comes in packaging like this. It comes with its own little felt, which is nice, so the lenses don't get messed up. This will be an unboxing and a try on, so y'all will see how these look on me. Aren't these nice? These are nice. These are the Shield 2.0s. I love them because they're giving me like Matrix, like futuristic vibes, so that's why I chose them. Let's see how I look. Yes. I look like an Instagram baddie. Look at me. So yeah, I love these. These are so cool. It looks like they're dark enough to where you can't see my eyes, which I love. I love dark lenses because I don't want people to see me looking at them. I don't want them to see me looking at them, looking at me, looking at them. Okay? I love these. They're so cool. The next pair of shades. Ooh, these are the Shield 3.0s. I love a mirrored lens, and This style like kind of reminded me of some Louis Vuitton shades from like 2 years ago, like from their fashion show 2 years ago. Ooh, this is also giving futuristic baddie. Yeah, I love these. Cause like if my eyebrows aren't done like they are right now, this will hide them. This literally hides everything. These are good like hungover shades. I love them. These are good like going on the plane shades. These are giving like scammer vibes and I love it. Futuristic scammer vibes. Joanne Prada 3.0. That's what these should be called. The Joanne Prada 3.0s. I love them. They're so cute. And they fit right because they're not sitting on my cheekbones. So if I wanted to take these on a boat, I wouldn't have to worry about them fogging up because they don't sit on my cheeks, so they fit perfectly. I like this little detailing here and there. Very nice. Now this one's fancy. This one has its own little box. This box kind of reminds me of like a Prada box. A Prada sunglass box. Ooh. It's only one piece lifts. Oh, I get a cleaning cloth. How nice. Huh, interesting. So all the other shades have 50 Shades NYC on the lens, but these don't have that. Very interesting. Ah, but it has it on the arms. It has it here, and then it has it here. These are ironic. I hope I'm saying that right. But these are actually the ones that the BBX brand owner wore in one of her posts. And I was like, ooh, those are cute. And that would look cute with one of the BBX brand outfits that I bought. So I thought it was perfect. Let me see how I look. Yas. These are giving like 70s. I love them. 70s or 90s. Like it's serving Little Kim a little bit and I'm living for it. I love it. Yeah. I love this color. It's like a turquoise slash like seafoam color. It's really pretty. And then the tortoise just like chef kiss. It sets it off so nicely. So yeah, I love these. I can't wait to wear these out. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to wear them. But I wanted to show y'all first before I started wearing them out. Ah, the owner's name is Eddie Elise. I love that it comes with a cleaning cloth. So fancy. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see me do more unboxing videos, please give this a thumbs up. I'm on the road for 400 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe and share with your friends. So I do a lot of try-on videos, unboxing videos, hauls, some lookbooks. I sprinkle a few vlogs here and there and a few beauty videos here and there. So if that's something that you or your friends would be interested in, go ahead and subscribe to me. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.